Oh, it's a bloody murder. What is that?
Slam.
The blood. You're still recording.
But you know,
Are you like really not helping me right now, Phil?
I think someone puts the name as Dwayne.
cook you.
Well, he's an actor.
Almost.
You know what?
Okay, you know, Allison, get out of the kitchen. Get out of the kitchen.
Maria thinks you're possessed.
Allison,
Knock it out. Hug it
Allison.
out? No?
there's knives in there.
He's
Get
freaky
out of
as
the
fuck
kitchen.
right now.
Allison,
He's too freaky.
Allison,
He's good. He's good.
Look at his eyes.
He's having a good time.
Allison, out of the kitchen. Out of the
He wants my cake. Give me my cake.
Allison, come over here.
I
Come here.
get taken.
Come here for a sec. Allison. No, there's knives.
There's Maddie.
Does Mary what?
Okay.
Yes, Mary's
What
gay.
about her?
She's gay.
She's gay.
She's gay.
Gay.
She's gay. And she needs
Gay love.
bride
Oh yeah, you want to be her bride?
to tell her it's alright.
It's all right. Doug's not like she never is like this.
Yay!
Scared of her.
Cammy, come here, baby girl. Come here. I won't let anything happen to you. Ever, ever, ever. Because I love you so much. But this
Well,
freak
how about your friend here?
freakily.
Take a laugh at
That's what I'm just tell you.
Take a laugh at it.
All right.
No, you know what? Oh no, me. Mimi.
So, who's gonna die right now?
Totally straight here, Eddie. I don't need a bride.